Alright everyone, and welcome back. My name is Tigresslily, and welcome back to Mad Father. Yeah, I did a quick Google Translate since last time, and apparently what this thing is saying, it is German, something along the lines of your father is a killer or something like that. I don't know. Daddy's a murderer. Who knows? But yeah, when we last left off, we just finished burning this thing to ashes, and it's gone there. And the only thing it's gone now, and the only thing that's left is a bloody black puddle of blood, I guess. But yeah, now we're down here. So pots, boxes, and Diablo. Hi, Diablo. Yay. Taxidermy room. Lined with all sorts of strangeness. Hey, I got a bucket now. Bottles contain unknown things. Ew. Gross. I agree. Strange tools for experiments. Huh? A bottle with 2 eyeballs fell out. Got the eyeball bottle. Okay. The fuck? What the fuck was that? I don't like that. What the hell did that giggle? I don't like that. I'm getting the hell out of here. I'm going into the laboratory now. Maria! Mistress. You're wounded. But I will be fine. Forget me. Escape somewhere safe. It is dangerous here. Where's Father? I heard him scream from my room. I must save the doctor. Or not. Oof. You can't go with that wound. But, Maria, what happened to Father? The doctor is further in. His wife, she... Huh? His wife? His wife? My mom? What do you mean, Maria? Maria! Oh, I skipped something. All I heard was a my. I skipped something. What did I skip? Oh no! This got really loud all of a sudden. You again. At any rate, it sounds like your father has gone on ahead. Deeper into the underground underground maze. What did Maria see? Mom passed away, right? What's going on here? Don't tell me the curse. You'll only be able to confirm your suspicions by pressing on, won't you? It's very interesting how this game has almost no music, and yet when it does, it blasts. What a weird guy. He is weird. Did I just trigger a cutscene? Oh no, it was just skipping back. She's fainted. Huh? There's something under her skirt. I almost don't want to know. Oh, it's just a key. I thought I was gonna see something, but I guess not. Shelves are a mess. Big sack. What the heck's that on the table? It won't let me see it. It's filled with blood. Blood soaks through the sack. Filled with unknown things. It stinks. Sturdy wood case. Let me see, I got a wooden bucket and a bottle of eyeballs. A lamp and a room key. I must find out what that key goes to. Actually, I think I have an idea as to what it goes to. There was a... Okay. That person looked so sad. Let's follow him. If I can. If he is the type of ghost that allows me to follow him. But I was gonna head up this way anyway. Why is my character so slow? No. Farther up. Where are you going? I don't think I want to follow you now. You're being strange. Ah! Get in here. Hi, doggy. You stay right there. I don't want none of your shenanigans. Because there was a locked door down here. Does it open the storehouse? No. Ay! Okay, that was interesting. You stay over there, dog. Stay over there. Good doggy. Gotta get past these things. Okay, I guess I better go upstairs then. It wanted me to go this way. It wants me to go into the archives. Why does it want me to go into the archives? Well, there was a locked door in here. There you are. And he just fades away. I think he was trying to say something. Use the room key. Okay, so there's a little tiny room here in the archives. There's a bed. There's a stand and a chair. Found a diary. Could this be Maria's diary? Apparently this is Maria's room and she doesn't dust, looking concerning the cobwebs. Yes, let's read the diary. Doctor, it has been a year to the day since I came to this mansion. I will never forget that day. Please. Food. Food. Shut up, phone. Somebody. Food. Somebody.
A bum. She could be a fine subject with some work. It's pitiful to see one so skinny. Come to my home, please. I'll give you clothes and delicious meals.
You're a little freak. I like this song. It's pretty. Huh? Oh, there's a jail cell? Why is there a jail cell?
Stay here for a little while. I'll tell my family about you.
Family?
I have a wife and a girl turning 7.
Turning 7?
I'm sure they would welcome you.
Family. Hold up, so wait, how old am I? In the beginning of the game they said that, I was almost 11 years old, and now they're saying I'm almost 7? And this was supposed to be a year ago? How old am I?
Oog.
Is this person like me?
Oof. Ugh.
What awful injuries. They must hurt. It must hurt. Perhaps I could do something.
Phew. Phew.
Huh. My skirt won't be enough cloth, but the only other cloth I have is my shirt?
Yup, I'm naked.
I'm naked and bandaging a stranger's injuries.
Okay.
Or she's naked anyway.
I'm surprised. He was about to die, but he recovered overnight. It seems he was given excellent treatment. Did you treat him?
Yes.
How handy. You're exceptionally talented.
Please,
I couldn't let this go to waste. What's your name?
I am Maria.
Maria, An appropriate name. Maria, would you be my assistant?
Oh?
I do not wish to lose you. Please, stay with me. Well, will you entrust me with the rest of your life?
I don't like that. That is a weird way of saying things. Yes. Well, technically, he did save her. Without him, she would have died. I was so happy you had saved me. I was alone, but you made me needed. You gave me love. As long as I am needed, I will stay with you. How would I live without you? I love you, Doctor. cute, I guess, but I don't know. I'm guessing this book is either more than a year old or I don't know. Duts. I never really knew anything about Maria after all. Maria must really love Father too. So this is Maria's room. Why can't I move? Oh, there we go. Oh, there's more to it. Extuary Xth. Yesterday I encountered a young boy. He was very lonely, even more so than the mistress. But the moment he saw me, he ran off crying. Is my face indeed so frightening? The mistress always seemed scared of me as well. I suppose it's the eyes. Well, I'm sure it's that the mistress dislikes me. It cannot be helped. I did take away the doctor. Surely I could not replace her mother. Okay. So I don't really think that Maria's a bad person, but yeah, she is with the doctor and she is nutsy cuckoo about him. Now then. And there's just the nursery. Stop squishing. Yes, yes, hi Diablo. Well, I guess we're going in deeper. Yes, yes, hi Diablo. Did anything down here in the taxidermy room change? I don't think so. I still don't like that goblin thing giggling. Still wondering where it came from. I don't know. Lined with all sorts of strange things. I don't know. So yeah, into the laboratory. Why does it take me so long to step through a door? Granted, I don't really want to be in here, but whatever. Open that door. Hey, there's our dad. Bunch of people in tubes. Father! Hello, you were there a second ago. Oh, it's our mom! Why is her chest all bloody? I thought my mom died of illness. Why is her chest all bloody? Mom? Is that you? My dad's dead now. If that puddle of blood is anything to incorporate by. No way. Was that really Mom? There's no way I mistook her. That was Mom. Why was even Mom? It must be the curse, right?
Haven't you noticed? Hi, you and your loud music. This tragedy was brought about by the power of a woman's curse. The malice for your father. That malice turned to a curse, seeking out your father's death.
Could that woman be?
So you do realize, yes, Your mother.
That can't be.
Why do you think that?
Because Mom loved Father. Mom even understood Father's work. And Father loved Mom in return. Wasn't Mom happy? I couldn't believe she has a grudge against Father. But maybe Mom didn't like Father and Maria. I don't want it to be true, but
So you'll fucko find the truth? That's...
I like that guy. I don't know, there's something about him. He seems so cool. Hold up, there's actually a sparkly back here. I want to go get that. Hi. What's up? You want something? No longer moving. Uh-huh, it moved. Got a gem, yay. Creepy, but almost beautiful. Creepy, but almost beautiful. Doesn't move at all. Seems like a husk. Moving no longer. Feels like it could start moving. A sleeping person. Sleeping person. Uh-huh, yeah. They're all dead, they ain't sleeping. Except for that one, I don't know how it moved. Hello, there's a head here. Where is body? Ick. Not really ick, it's just weird. By the looks of it, there's a lot of bodies here, my friend. I'm sure one of them could be yours. Where is body? Corpse, I like the name of this room, corpse room. What's this? I'm not brave enough to look inside. What about these ones? Am I brave enough to look at them? It stinks. Oh, there's probably a bunch of dead body parts. So, what? I don't think I want you near me. No. Dude, I think I found your body. Here, aim for the head. Aim for the head.
Found it!
You're weird.
Your head's on sideways.
Dude, your head's not properly. Yeah, your head is on sideways.
Thanks, Mrs.
Your head's not properly attached either. It's gonna fall off the moment you start walking.
Got another gem.
How many do I have now? I got 10. I'm halfway there, almost. Why is there blood everywhere? And where did my mom take my dad? Filled with junk. What in the world is that over there? I see 2 bodies over there. Seriously, there's 2 bodies over there. One looks like a guy, orange shirt, brunette. The other one's a blonde lady wearing a white dress and yellow shawl or something. So what's in here? Hi. Got a ladder. Oh, is this how I get up to the attic? Cool. Dirty pot. Hi, Diablo. I'm sleeping with you. Thank you, Diablo. So there was a girl over there. Those bodies are still there. I have a feeling if I actually get over there that they're not gonna be. So it's over this way. Okay. I got a big barrel. Oh, there's a ladder. That's loud and obnoxious. Dirty pot. I unlocked the door. So where does it go? Oh, cool. I'm back here. That's good. I don't have to backtrack now. Now it's a shortcut. Gets past the zombies. Since now I have a ladder piece, I can go up here. Here into the attic. Oh wait, hold up. What exactly do I have? I have a bucket. I'm guessing I have to go over to the outside and put something out with water or something. There's a bottle of eyeballs. I wonder what I can do with those. Oh, what else do I have? Just a lamp and the gems. Okay. Did anything change in my room? Is there something in my room now? Snowball's back! Snowball is relaxing. Let's let him relax. These corpses still in there. I'm guessing, but it's not letting me look at him now. Is she gonna say anything interesting about these books now? These are all really dark books for kids to be reading. Okay, let's head up here. Up into the attic. The ladder is missing a section. Some loud, annoying music. Or background ambiance, I guess. Why is my thing flickering? Collection of pats. Collection of pats. Collection of pats. Pile of barrels. A big barrel. I can move you. Cool. Something in there. I'll find out what in a sec. Got another gem. Yay. Filled with junk. Filled with more junk. There's a rope here. Can I take the rope? No? Okay. Why is my light flickering? What's this? This is... Is that a chainsaw? God, I got a mini chainsaw. Oh my gosh. Press a special key to equip the chainsaw. It can normally only be equipped in the basement. When equipped, press the confirm key to make IS swing the chainsaw down. Certain objects, such as barrels, empty crates, can be destroyed this way. It cannot be used to attack enemies. What? You give me a chainsaw and a bunch of zombies and I'm not allowed to hack them up? That sucks. Oh well, still, it's a chainsaw. Be aware that you can't open the menu or check objects with the chainsaw out. Okay, so special key is going to be C or shift and the confirm key is Z, enter, or space. What? Ah, how nostalgic. Nostalgic? What? I remember Father scolding me for playing with this once. Why were you playing with a chainsaw? Seriously, why was she playing with a chainsaw? She is literally playing with a chainsaw. There's my daddy. Aya,
What are you doing swinging that thing around?
Sorry.
This is no toy. It's a very dangerous tool. Understood? Never play with anything like this again.
Sorry, Father.
I'm glad you're not hurt. It's odd, though. I thought this would be somewhere that was out of your reach. Where on earth did you find this, Aya?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Father.
I was playing with a chainsaw! I was playing with a chainsaw!
Hold up, they said that I can break things. Can I equip it here? Can I equip it here?
Vroom! I will destroy everything now.
Can I destroy this? No? Okay. What about these? No? Can't destroy the pots? Okay. Okay then. I got a chainsaw! I like chainsaws. Okay then. I can't equip it here, that sucks. Okay everyone, I'm gonna leave it off here at that. We got a chainsaw! We found out that my mom is now the cause of this curse, and it's because she hates my daddy for some weird reason that I'm pretty sure we're gonna find out the reason for in the end of the game. But yeah, I'll leave this off here. I hope to see you guys in the next video, and hugs for everyone!